Now we have our example that we're going to use our new equation for. The question is, what is the energy of electromagnetic radiation with the frequency of 3.2 times 10 to the negative third hertz? So we have our new equation. The question we're asked is, what is the energy? So we'll be solving for E. H, just like C in the previous equation we had, H is a constant, Planck's constant. So the value for H is always going to be 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34th, and then the units on that are joules per hertz. Our frequency is given 3.2 times 10 to the negative third hertz. And the hertz and over hertz, those cancel, leaving our energy units in joules. And our answer will simply be the product of those two values. So when I multiply those, I'm still here. Okay, I get 2.1, that's rounded, 2.1 times 10 to the negative 36. You have one on your paper to go ahead and try. So if you'll take a second, pause maybe, and do that one. The you try it is exactly the same type of problem. You're solving for energy. So you just take your Planck's constant times the value you're given, and your answer for the you try it example would be 5.6 times 10 to the negative 50th joules. So at this point, this would be a good time if you were unable to do that or you have any questions about the math part of it. This is a great time to pause and ask a question if you need to of the teacher. Okay, flip into the back of the page if you're good to go there. Photons, that is the energy that's released when an electron moves back down to its ground state, or the energy that it absorbs. So those are referred to as photons. And our ground state, that's when the electrons are in the lowest possible energy state that they can have.